Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on factory reset and click on erase all data. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.